suicide bomb from Al Qaeda to the Quran. Represent your clique and Al Jihad, banging from God to Enron. Bin Laden is still CIA. John Walker captured in Kandahar, Afghanistan with shit stains on his face. I seen the planes hit the world trade, then I seen the world change. I need a logical earthquake, people exploding on the same streets where the prophets and priests walking on water. Now we be throwing rocks at police.
I'm a rock till the sun and the earth collide. You be the first to hide. My words hurt and they burn inside. I'm the terror jump, give me my space. Had the matches in a spray can up in your face. Like third degree, word to me. Gun over my shirt so you birds can see. Man swerving, camouflage kid with the turban. Jihad all-star, nice off the bourbon.
If I gotta go to war, then I'm going for death. Get my joint from the top of the shelf and get prepared. A nigga only got one life, but I ain't scared. I pray to the Lord in the sky to take me there. I see a lot of bullshit, a lot of fucking drama. Chop a nigga's head off, but let me get Osama. Suicide bomber, I'm good with those. Fucked up clothes, the motherfucking life I chose.
Hey yo, niggas say I'm crazy cause I travel by airplanes. Ever since 9/11, shit fucking changed, nothing's the same. The sky is red, my eyes is red, but I'm still here. First we lost Pun, then we lost Aaliyah. Then the terror came and made the Twin Towers disappear. Flip to CNN, sit down and analyze. It's like I look at the city and I don't recognize it. Keep your head up, keep your head up. You lost the loved one, big sight. From the streets I spit for my thug ones.
Moon, I look up at the problems we facing. Starvation, paying for your education. Now I gotta worry about dying on a plane. Things change for the seasons for too many reasons. A million and one for thieving, breathing and dying to breathe. All the greed they supplying, yeah I see it, but I see it for real. Niggas that squeal, niggas that won't, niggas that deal, niggas
Kicks
that
for the
don't.
mothership, sitting on 20s, my shit's heavy. Suicide bomb, I go off in the bathroom with Denny's. Drug connects, some bug specs, I flex at the Emmys. Stop repping your set, knowing you getting stressed for pennies. Doing a $120, trekking up the belt for coke. A billionaire with oil and guns, check to provoke. I'm on the edge, and these new pills are made by the feds. Another setup, one in your face, bias tape to your head.
From the alcoholics, drug addicts, slowly heroin fiends. Since the twins came down, I don't remember my dreams. September will mean I'm under darkness, we pump the hardest. Wars in other lands, over who or what your guard is. Regardless, spit facts with my crew on the stoop. Like the only anthrax we ever do is the proof. Proof is the proof, the truth, I ain't afraid to fly. Streets is war, a piece of war, I ain't afraid to die.
It's my honor, dog. Wartime, I gotta defend it. Whether from Malcolm or Martin, gotta do something to win it. Must do something to win it. So the empire strikes back. Pack that chrome because it's in fire right back. Back at home, know where you live and you play at. North, south, east, west. Where your kids and your lays at. Rephrase that. How you live in the days that your sins are displayed and your spirit flies away, black.
the bass and make some sound, boy, run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday. We must up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. Skrillex ablaze the fire, make it fun. We must up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy, run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
Dans ta mémoire, c'est précis. Ne donne pas de langue à tes pensées, ni d'acte à tes pensées hors de mesure. Mais, n'use pas ta paume à accueillir un quelconque blanc-bec, un spadassin. Tiens-toi loin des querelles. Mais, forcé, fais que ton adversaire te redoute. Offre l'oreille à tous, à peu la foi. Prends l'avis de chacun, mais garde tienne ton opinion. Que ton avis soit riche dans la mesure où le permet ta bourse. Mais, point d'excès de fantaisie. Du riche, pas du voyant. L'habit, souvent dit l'homme. Et en France, les nobles les plus hauts mettent leur point d'honneur dans la dépense. Ne sois ni emprunteur, ni créancier. Qui prête, paie ses prêts et ses amis. Qui emprunte et ouvre le tranchant de son esprit d'épargne. Mais, surtout, toi-même. Reste vrai avec toi-même. D'où il suivra mieux que la nuit le jour que tu ne seras faux avec personne.
Had the time of his life, capitalist with a communist wife. Started to fight and did the cats for gods at the Christ. Hardly the type to get garbage advice. He was larger than life. He penetrate the roof of the car with a spike. Trained by insane ex-marine, CIA, trader, renegade, assassin, androids. Hacker boy pilot in black helicopter choppers over Bosnia. Sipping so much coke, nose is fucked up. Let it out for all y'all bystander baggy ass jeans to hide your banger bang and thug the fuck out. Hang with bashing your face, gag gangs, the governments. These other kids is like the drunken bitch that sucked 100 dicks. At your party, then cry rape. Plus the hook of lies great. Slip another line to get your mind straight. Pull out the nine and start shooting people. Money ain't the root of evil, could be much more than that. America taught me how to kidnap and torture cat. Exit the Stargate, initial perception quickens my heart rate. This dark place, planet Earth, orbits one star. Come from afar, far away, state of mind. Open up your third eye, black helicopters in the sky. Exit the Stargate, initial perception quickens my heart rate. This dark place, planet Earth, orbits one star. Come from afar, far away, state of mind. Open up your third eye, black helicopters in the sky.
I need G's so I can jet easier. My crib's tapped, I suspect ether. That's why I'm out of touch with the media. Undercovers like Pete Seeger, I couldn't tell neither. Watching the projects with a van of speakers. Peeping how my kids rest, banging my whiz for hours. Surveillance tape pissing in King's Plaza, even got us after hours. Drug parties, golden showers on the porch, shits up. Work for the FBI, so anytime I might whisper. My scary team be like barely clean, rocking Israeli jeans. That's why I'm mostly heard and rarely seen. Real as escape history's pen. I'll be the worst of me.
Exit the Stargate, initial perception quickens my heart rate. This dark place, planet Earth, orbits one star. Come from afar, far away, state of mind. Open up your third eye, black helicopters in the sky. Exit the Stargate, initial perception quickens my heart rate. This dark place, planet Earth, orbits one star. Come from afar, far away, state of mind. Open up your third eye, black helicopters in the sky.
This copper in the city hopper like a rocker with binoculars. Took me these two rosters and I'm officer kept a hostage. Said that we were imposters, he's an impatient government agent from the United Nations and said that we had the private information about the aliens, vegetarians, devils and Aryans.
These are civilized barbarians, fucking bury them.
When Rasta said you pussy blood clot, got shot. And I'm like fuck this, I'm blowing up spots cause shit is hot. We know about the plan for the projects with contraband. Drop bombs on Brazil so you can kill and conquer land. You're drug trafficking, you new creation for disease to control the population in the states and overseas. You put poison in the weed and the milk we feed our seeds. You look shocked, that's a block to know the plot to all of these. Took his Glock, lit the shot when the bastard wasn't looking, threw him out. Then the mobster threw the chopper back to Brooklyn.
Exit the Stargate, initial perception quickens my heart rate. This dark place, planet Earth, orbits one star. Come from afar, far away, state of mind. Open up your third eye, black helicopters in the sky. Exit the Stargate, initial perception quickens my heart rate. This dark place, planet Earth, orbits one star. Come from afar, far away, state of mind. Open up your third eye, black helicopters in the sky.